Tell you what, it's hot today. It's got to be getting somewhere between 95 and 100. Wasn't too very long ago, right about now, I'd be pulling in that ice cold Burger King up there in Canton, Georgia. It was a little bit outside our area, but I worked for Chris and Daryl and Joel. They were all pretty good guys. They were all real good guys. They understood, you know, you go to the closest place, you don't abuse the situation, and that was. And it was ice cold. Man, it was nice. That hole, working that hole, all those, what, 2 years, a little over 2 years in Georgia was nice. That wasn't nothing but a paid vacation, and I told them all. Nothing but a paid vacation. I got the pine on there, cut it, squared up, get rid of that spot. Cut all them 2x4s up, get that junk out the way. I'm gonna have to cut this back here, somewhere about right here. Have to cut a little bit off the end down there, because it's got to tilt a little bit this way. So when it does, it's gonna wanna roll towards the mill. So I sure don't wanna hit that mill. It's a 32-foot mill, and the log is 32 foot long. So I don't want to run the risk. All I need is 25-foot boards. So if I leave it, say 26, I've got playroom on both ends. So, you know, it should fit on there with no trouble whatsoever. Once I get ready to roll it over there, I'll probably use 5 spanners. Not because this is heavy. It's heavy, but just in case one breaks, I'll have 5. Because if one of those things is going to break, it's going to break right there. You can just about rest assured. It's not going to break laying on the ground out there by itself. It's going to break right there. And when it does, the log's got a good chance of hitting that concrete. You don't want that. So I'll put me maybe 5 across there, roll it over slow, and I mean slow. I'll go real slow. And bind it down real good. Being that it is 32 inches, I'll probably, you know how you have to nibble some off and all like that, I'll probably have to nibble some off, or either turn it multiple times. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I might turn it multiple times, being that it's cedar. Cedar turns easier than a regular, than say oak or pine, because it's a little lighter, and because it just doesn't dig into the bunks as bad. But get that out the way today, and get this on the mill for tomorrow, and then I can find something. I can look around and find me something hard to do.